What's going on, everyone? Gilman with Wellthy Stocks, back with another NIO update video where we take a look at how NIO stock traded today, some key support and resistance levels that we are looking at moving into the future, and based on that, what we think NIO stock could do. So real quick, if you enjoy videos like this, hit that like button down below, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and comment down below what your thoughts on NIO are, and I'd love to chat with you guys down there. So let me hit record and we will get right into it. Pretty much a flat day for NIO. It was a wild roller coaster ride if you were a part of that. What we saw was, a push down and then pretty much ending the day relatively flat. So we'll take a look at that. The good news is though, if I stretch this out by one day, we are still closing above that bull pennant. Now, ideally, I would like to see that act as a level of support. The line itself, this line coming up, but we didn't see that, but we're still closing above it. So I'm keeping that going for now. So let me hit the one-day chart. What we'll see is, we were kind of here in the 57s. We saw a little bit of a gap up and it looked like it was going to be a nice day, but right out of the gate, we saw a sell-off. So started in the 59s, pushed down, tried to go VWAP, couldn't, broke down and then broke below this level. And then what we saw was, really hung out there, tried to push back up above this 5630s level that we had, couldn't quite do it, came down, pushed above, and then kind of barely broke above, and then it started selling off again. And guess what? It bounced perfectly, pretty much off of our level, off by like 30 cents, bounced at 5430s. Our level was 5466, pushed up, this time, again, rejected by VWAP, and then that level broke down again, and then finally, right, in the second kind of half of the day, if you will, broke VWAP, bounced off of our 56 level, and then pushed up strong into the close. Things that I like about NIO stock is that the second half of the day was really a little bit of a turnaround, as you saw right there, right? Broke VWAP, pushed above this level, and then kind of closed nicely above VWAP. What I didn't like, obviously, was this sell-off, but even with that, we are pretty much flat on the day, so not too shabby there. On the daily chart, right, we've got a couple things going on, one of which is this bull pennant that I just mentioned. Again, we didn't bounce off of this level, right? We didn't bounce off of the bottom of this line, but we're still closing above it, so I'm going to keep it going for now, unless we see like major red days in the next couple of days that, turn it around. We don't necessarily have, we can still keep this going pretty much for now. What I want to talk about now, you guys, is the fact that we are now, pretty close to the 21 EMA, which again is pretty close to our level as well. So we are going to look at, future levels of support and resistance. So if NIO stock starts to head down, what we have is this level of support right here in the 5630s, and then the 21 EMA is also in the 5650s, right? So 5630s, 5650s, hopefully middle 56s hold up as really good level of support. But if they don't, then we have this 5460s level that we saw kind of hold up as good support today, and then the 34 EMA right at $54 as well. So again, the levels on the downside, the 5630s again has the 21 EMA, the price level, and the bull pennant. So again, hoping that, again, we broke it today, but hoping that we can keep closing above it. If not, 5466 is the next level before $54. On the upside, if we start to push up again, what I want is a capture of the 8 EMA, which is at $58.08. If we can do that, then I think we push towards the mid 58s, and then we push towards $60, hopefully breaking 60 sometime soon. So let me know down in the comment section how you guys are trading NIO. I think it's still, valid in the bull pennants, so I'm really excited about that. One thing that I do want to share though, I want to share both the upside and the downside, obviously, right? So let me hide all drawings for just a second. And what I have here is the 20 and the 50-day moving average, right? I would be lying to you if I said that I only saw upside. There's always downside, and I want to point that out so you can make your informed investing decision. And that is the 50-day moving average line. And as you can see, since we've ran up, we've been running up most of the times, right? It's bounced off this top line. It hasn't come to the bottom 50-day moving average. other than, you know, kind of close here in mid-December and then kind of close here, or did bounce off of it here at the end of the month, right? So this right here is the offering where we saw, and then here is another time where it perfectly bounced off the 50-day moving average. So that 50-day moving average right now is at 51.47, which does imply a little bit of a downside risk right there. But, you know, again, hopefully that bull pennant and the 21 exponential moving average hold, so we don't see a push down towards the 51. But I did want to point that out for you guys to see. Let me bring the drawings back and we'll kind of see, you know, this bull pennant is forming. But again, we do have a little bit of run room if it does decide to visit the 50-day moving average, as it did right there. So that's all I had for you guys. Another thing that I quickly wanted to share is I noticed this over the weekend, there is someone with a similar name to my channel. My channel's name is Live Wellthy Stocks. This person is Life Wellthy Stock. They're commenting about, you know, reach out to this person, tell them I referred you for Bitcoin and profit, and just want to quickly say that that is not me. I'm never going to tell you to reach out to anyone. I'm never going to ask you to invest your money with anyone. I am never going to, you know, give away someone's phone number like that. That's not me. If you see it, you know, just know that it's not me. I'm sure a lot of you guys saw this and probably knew that it wasn't me, but in case some of you guys were wanting to or have, you know, reached out, I just want to say that it's not me. Always look for the highlighted, I guess the highlight on the name itself, and then, you know, feel free to click on it. So if you click on this person's channel, right, it's got no content, it's got no subscribers. So just want to be careful there, and want to remind you guys that I would never tell you to reach out to someone, never tell you to invest with someone, and never tell you to, you know, oh, you know, huge profit on this. So again, I try to get rid of them as soon as they come, but, you know, if you do run into some, just ignore it, please. Just wanted to kind of quickly share that with you guys. So that's all I had for you guys today from, you know, a stock analysis perspective on NIO. Again, not a crazy day with a green day in the markets, right? NASDAQ was up 2.5%, Dow was up 200 points, 0.74%, and S&P was up 1.66. On a day like that, NIO was flat, right? Tesla was up 5%, almost 6%. So that's not something that I like, but, you know, it's still holding the bull pennant, so I'm not complaining just yet. So that's all I had for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe down below. Comment if you are trading NIO, and I'd love to chat with you down there. Let's remember to be a bit better every single day, and until next time.